nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. Like, nobody's gonna know. Who is gonna know? Like, hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this hairband I got from AliExpress. Yes guys, I actually wanted to get something like this just to change my look of recently, and then I just tried to try this hairband out from AliExpress, this hairband wig from AliExpress. So this is basically what I got. You guys know I love to review wigs and stuff here in this channel, so if you are interested, please don't forget to hit on that subscribing button and just support this family. In this channel we do literally everything, especially we do a lot of workout and healthy drinking and eating. Yes, and we throw a lot of skincare and fashion and also lifestyle, you know, review stuff, products in this channel, so you are not gonna get bored. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this beautiful hairband that I got from AliExpress, and it's actually Afro kinking hairband, and this is basically how it's looking. It has this hair band in front, and guys, oh my god, this hairband actually took me only 1.5 weeks. I have never got a lot of quick shipping product from AliExpress. I think I got the last shipping fast shipping product I got from AliExpress is just that that website that I always reviews clothing from, but this one was the best quick product I have got from AliExpress. Guys, it was even less than a week or even 1 week and a half when I received this hairband. It's so beautiful. The shipping was so fast, and yes, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, please don't forget to hit on that red subscribing button to support this family. Merry Christmas to you all and a prosperous new year, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's check out the rest, how I wash and detangle this hair. Yes guys, this is basically how the hair is looking, and it's so good. I so much love the texture. I love the quality. To be honest, I never expected that this hair quality is going to be like this. Yes, so this is how it's looking, and it has this 3 combs or 4 combs inside. Yeah, it has this 4 combs inside. Like, it has 1 comb here and 1 on the side and 1 in front, and the band here is just so cute. Oh my god, this is how it's looking. Oh my god, I just can't wait. I still have to wash the hair. I haven't washed the hair, so we are gonna be doing that right now, and then I will be styling the hairband for you guys to see. And what I saw on the review on this hair, they was actually saying that it was shading a lot, which I've already seen here. As you guys can see, it's a little bit shady. Yes, it's coming out a lot, but you know, because it's Afro, you guys know what you can expect. Afro is always like that. I actually got 16 inches and it came perfectly. So I'm gonna be laying my edges. You know, I just got this wig cap on my head, and I'm gonna be laying my edges a little bit for you guys to see. Guys, my hair is so difficult to lay because the texture of afro of my hair is quite different. So laying down the edges of my hair, just forget about it. It's not gonna stay. I don't know, I think I have to look for a better gel to lay the hair down. So then I'm gonna be putting the hair on. So this is how it's looking, and I'm gonna be placing it on my head like this. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, this is just what I am looking for. Yes, so this is the band. You can actually adjust the band. So this is basically how it's looking. There you can adjust, put a comb in your hair. Like this, and then you can adjust this one as well here. And voila. Wow. Yes. I'm just so happy. So this is basically how the hair is looking, like this. Really good, really light, and it's not so difficult at all. This hair you can actually style in any way. You can style it, you can leave it like this, you can use your hairband to secure it, or you can also try to take this hairband up, and then you can shift the hair like this a little bit. See what I'm saying? Nobody's gonna know. Look at that, just look at that. Oh my god, I have actually been looking for something like this in my wardrobe. Like, I needed a wig like this. Okay, I love afro. I already have something like this, but it's kind of different a little bit. But this one is just the exact wig, afro wig that I really wanted to have. This actually cost me 49 Swiss francs, I think. Yeah, I think I will be putting the price below. So this is it, the hair. Yes, it's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. So you can use any hairband of your choice, but honestly I don't like this hairband. It's just so, I don't know, it's so oldie. But I have a lot of hairbands that I will be using, so you can actually just place your hairband on it and kind of make it just to cover it up like this. Wow, hey, this is so cute. Oh my god, like, I'm just so in love. I'm so in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Wow. What do you guys think? Just let me know in the comment section if you like this hair. I will be dropping the link of this hair in the description box, and I'm just giving this hair 5 stars. Yes, look at that. It's so light, it's not that heavy. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm going to be washing the hair and dressing the hair again. Like, gonna be washing the hair and to see what kind of color is the hair going to bring out, or what kind of, how is the hair gonna change. So this is basically the inches I got. It's actually 16 inches. You guys can see it, 16 inches. Yeah, it's in here. This is just exactly like the texture of my real hair. My real hair, when you wash it, it's stringed like this. When you stretch it out, it's just going. Like, I so much love it. So I'm gonna be washing the hair, and I will be right back. So I am back and the hair is washed and clean. So this is basically how the hair is looking now. Wow, it really changed. So it's so softer. Yeah, it gets a little bit softer. Yes, it was shading a little bit, but also not so much. Looking now, it's clean. And I also put it in a hot water for like 5 minutes. I just soak it in a hot water for 5 minutes because you know it's afro kinking hair, so you really have to treat it treat the hair to that extent that you don't get any, you know, I don't know, but yeah, this is the hair and it's so cute. As you guys can see, some of them are still coming out. Yes, and this is it. It's so cute. I like it. It's not bad at all. So now I'm gonna be using some of my leave-in condition and with some oil to treat the hair, and then I will put it to dry. So let's check it back again. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. And I really like it. The wig cap is just, it's almost the same size as my hair. It does not, like, it's just the same size. It's not too big. I think it's only this band that is a little bit too big. So it's also not bad. Like this. You can fold it if you want. You can do it like this if you want. Still dripping out. So I'm gonna be using some of my leave-in condition. The hair is long. I just don't believe that this hair was gonna be that long. Oh my god. It's long though. Whee, it's going. And it's full. It's a lot. I like it. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. Look at the inside. Look at that. Wow, look at that. And I can actually really go through with my finger. Like, look at it. So guys, you know it's still not dry, so this is how it's looking. This is actually the final look, and this is the quality. The quality is so good. The quality is good. You can pin it here and you can pin it on this side. And as well in front, because it has also one pin here. Can also secure it here inside, and you secure it at the back. Yeah, so this is it. I'm just so happy. So like I said guys, this hair you can put all the hair back if you want. You can do all of them like this. Look at it. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. Look at that. Or you can do it like this. One like this. One here. And you can do the other one here. Yeah. Or you can even do, like, you can really like manipulate this hair the way you want it to look. You can manipulate the hair. You can dress it in different ways. Bring it on one side and do it on the other side like this. Like this. Like this. On this side. Like this. And to the back. Can even tie up here like this at the back. Or you can just dress it up like this. Like this. So now I'm gonna be putting it to dry, and then yes, so, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you know you do, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe for more video. If you want to see more of this kind of hair wig review, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, okay? And thank you all so much, and Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And in the meantime, hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye. Like I said, I will be dropping the link in the description box. If you guys want to check it out, you can free to check it out. Yes, for me, I'm gonna be rocking this wig for now. Yes, this is my new baby. New baby. So much love. Bye.